In this video we will go over how to add an email signature in Outlook. Go to the email area in Outlook, then click New Email in the upper left. Click the signature button in the top bar. Then click Signatures. Click New to create a new signature. You can now edit the signature. You can change the font, size, bold, italicize, underline, font color, and justification. You can insert links by copying and pasting them into the signature. Images can be pasted in as well, or you can use the image button in the top left. Once you are happy with your signature, save it using the Save button. You can select which signature to use for new messages and replies/forwards. This will be the default signature. Then click OK. You can select the desired signature by clicking the signature icon. Once we close this email and open a new one, the default signature will be there.